A snake charmer's story. Snake charmers keep snakes to earn their living. For snake charmers, snakes are their treasure. The government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them because some people kill the animals and sell their skins at high prices. But the snake charmers do not kill snakes. Snake charmers belong to Kalbelia tribe. The Kalbelias moved frequently from one place to another in ancient times. Their traditional occupation is catching snakes and trading snake venom. Hence, the dance movements and the costumes of their community bear a resemblance to that of the serpents. They are also called as saperas, jogiras, or yogis. Just like snake charmers, many other people also depend on animals to earn their living, like government through Jews, magicians, people who own poultry, people who own slaughterhouse, people who work in dairy industries, people working in industries dealing with animal skins, people who own pet shops, people who work in industries which produce animal food, people who work in veterinary hospitals, people who deal with animals in circus. There is misconception among people that all the snakes are poisonous. But there are only four snakes which are poisonous, which are found in India. First is cobra, second is common krait, third is Russell's viper, fourth is saw-scaled viper. In fact, these are the only four snakes which are poisonous, and these are poisonous snakes which are found in India. This is a picture of a bean. In fact, bean is a kind of flute which snake charmers use to charm the snakes. A bean produces melodious sound when air is blown from mouth into it. This is the picture of a snake charmer and a snake, and I think all of you have seen a snake dance. Do you think a snake really dance on the music of a bean? Just think over it. Remember, snakes have poor sense of sight. It means snakes cannot see the things very clearly. Second, snakes cannot hear the sound of bean in the air. It can only feel the vibrations from the earth. So, on the basis of these two facts, we can say that for snakes, the bean and the snake charmer both appears to be an enemy which is going to attack the snake. As the snake charmer moves the bean in different directions, the snake also moves in order to save itself. This movement is called as snake dance. In fact, snake do not dance. Now children, you will see how a snake charmer makes the snake to move in different directions.